This tiger nut drink is spiced up a little with some ginger, garlic, pineapple, and banana. I've done a video on this before. These are the ingredients I used. This is how I did it, just the way I did the first one, but this one I blended this one with my ginger and garlic. That's ginger and garlic I added to it there. Then I added some water to it. After adding the water to it, I blended it. After blending, I added another water to it for it to blend smoothly. After I blended that smoothly, as you can see there, that's where I added some more water to it. Then after blending it smoothly, I separated the drink from the shaft. That's by sieving it. So I went ahead, I sieved the shaft I separated the shaft from the drink. That's how to do it. You can use another kind of sieve if that's what you have. This is what I got, so I sieve it out. Then after that, I sieve it back into the blender because I have to mix my dates, my banana, and my pineapple with this. So I sieve it back to the blender. So I then added my dates. I added that's dates there. I added my pineapple, that's my pineapple to eat. Then that's my bananas there. I added bananas to eat. Then I mix it. I blend it smoothly, blended it smoothly, and that's my drink. My drink is ready. Thanks for always watching my channel, guys. Please do not forget to subscribe if you've not. Have a blessed life, guys. Bye. See you.